Hey, what's up? This is BH90 wireless Bluetooth headset. It can be used for both wired via 3.5mm audio cable and wireless via Bluetooth. The headset has active noise cancelling, high-quality microphone for hands-free calls, volume control, and 15 hours working time on a single charge. Are you interested? Then we prepared for unboxing and full review of this headset. Before we begin the unboxing, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The headset comes in a black box. On the front side of the box, you can see the image of headset and main features such as battery, calls, and active noise cancelling. Inside the box is headset. .3.5mm audio cable, USB cable for charging, and user manual in English. That's all. Now let's look at design of BH90 headset. The headset uses black and red color combination and it looks very good. Here is how the headset looks on me. It is really lightweight and comfortable. The headband length is adjustable, while the soft earmuffs are foldable and rotatable. On the left ear there is power on-off and ANC switch. On the right ear provides 3.5mm audio jack, micro USB port and music control buttons such as play, stop, volume up, down. If you're interested in specifications, then BH90 headset has speaker impedance of 32 ohms, speaker frequency range from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, sensitivity of 115 dB, and advanced noise cancellation about 25 dB. What about battery life? It is great. BH90 headset is equipped with 300 mAh battery and it provides up to 15 hours in Bluetooth mode, 30 hours in ANC mode, and 12 hours in Bluetooth and ANC modes at the same time. The headset charges via micro USB port. The full battery charge takes about 2 hours. By the way, when the battery is discharged, you can connect the headset to your phone or laptop via 3.5mm audio cable and continue to listen to music. The wired mode is another feature of this headset. Now let's connect the headset to smartphone and talk about sound quality. BH90 headset is connected via Bluetooth settings menu, just like any other Bluetooth devices. You need to choose BH90 and you are ready to listen to music. By the way, we forgot to say that headset has 40mm speakers. We listen to different music such as rock, rap, electronic music and classic music, and all of them sound very good. The voice is clear, while the bass is deep and powerful. The active noise cancellation allows listening to music even in loud public places. You just need to switch ANC on the left ear. If you are interested in calls, then BH90 headset is equipped with HD microphone. It allows to receive and make calls. Just press the button once to take a call, or press and hold about 2 seconds to reject the call. Also, you can press the button twice to the last number on your phone. BH90 looks like a good headset for those who like to listen to music for a long time. It has very comfortable earmuffs, so you can listen music for hours. Built-in battery provides up to 15 hours of working time via Bluetooth. Also, you can use 3.5mm audio cable to not limit for yourself. As for the sound quality, it is high quality thanks to 40mm speakers. Active noise cancellation allows to forget about noise around. For the price only $55, BH90 is very good wireless headset. Thanks for watching. In description you can find link where to buy this headset. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.